Hey guys, this is Nell from Burns again, and I know I already made a video about this 260 engine on the GLB. When you have a misfire, usually cylinder number 2, sometimes 3, 4. You on this one, I'm only getting one cylinder misfire, which is number 2, but usually you will get multiple misfires. So I already took the cylinder head out of the car. I'm gonna show you a little things that you should know before you install it. I'll walk you through. This is a 2020 GLB, and it has the 260 engine with the misfire. So here we go. This is number 2. This was misfiring. So I already timed it. To do this, you gotta take the wheel out real well, set it up on OT on the mark over there, which I showed you on the last video. If you want to go through it, you could. It's on my past videos. You set it up, you paint it. There's gonna be some marks also on the gears here. Mark, this is the exhaust, and the other one is the intake. Anyway, blah blah blah. Set it up. You could take the tensioner and guide pins out, so you could take the timing chain out of the sprockets over there. So anyway, this is what you get. This is what you get with the cylinder head. You get the exhaust manifold gaskets, and this is how the the cylinder head comes out with the exhaust manifold and the turbo all together. You cannot take it apart without it, because it's a pain to get those 12 millimeter nuts. So right now that's outside. It's easier, you smack it with the hammer, put the socket extension, smack with the hammer before attempting to break it loose. Take all of them out. Be careful, this is heavy, it's gonna come down on your head. And this rocker arms, you gotta swap into the new one. This is everything that you get with it: spark plugs, intake manifold gaskets. This is the turbo seal that goes here, a bunch of bolts that you shouldn't, makes no sense to replace them. They have no Loctite, but I don't know, they gave it to us, so why not replace it. All the seals. These are the cylinder head bolts, 45 Newton meters and 390 degrees turn. That's the torque with them. One cam plug cover for the intake cam, and the other one is for the timing chain cover. So here you go. This is the coolant temperature sensor. You cannot take it off without disconnecting it, so make sure you put this back also. And once you install the cylinder head, this is the first thing that you plug in. Remember, if you forget this, you're gonna have a hard time putting it in when everything is installed. So this is the cylinder head, and this is how it comes, with one bolt to hold it down. Take it off. Also guys, one more thing that I forgot to mention is the timing chain guide. They don't give you a new one, so you gotta take it out of the old one, which is right here. You gotta put that into the new valve cover that they give you, which goes right in here. Don't break it. You gotta be careful taking it out, and then pop it in here. Then you gotta glue it on the right spots, around the hole, around the These are the fuel injectors holes. So don't add too much glue, because it's gonna overfill passages. So 1 millimeter is the right amount of glue that you gotta put in, and it comes empty without the rocker arms, but it comes with the springs, which is good. You know, you just swap the rocker arms on their spot. You gotta take this little fitter so you could tighten the bolts. Take the other side, and don't forget to put it. Also, there's a seal here for coolant. Don't forget to put it. Don't forget to install it and lubricate it. So those are a few things that I did not mention on my last video, and let me show you. So this was number 2 right here. You can see the difference. That's number 1. Number 2, this was misfiring on this engine. Number 3, number 4. The problem is the valves, they get warped and they don't seal properly, so you start getting misfires. And that's it. Got a little mess over here with everything up, parts all over. And this is it, a little tour of my job today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll respond back if I have the answers. If not, I'll look them up. So alright guys, you know, follow, like the video so I can keep on posting, giving you guys helpful information about it. And if you need me to make a video about anything else, like, hit me up, and if I get that car, that issue, I'll make a video, post it, and we'll keep on moving forward. So take care, and I'll see you soon.